It's important to take care of the items you already own. This allows you to save money over the long term and preserve the product you love. In this video, I go through some of the steps you can take to restore the look of your Blundstone. In the initial shots, you can tell that the color of the boot has faded from its original dark brown. It has lost its initial shine as well as becoming slightly more stiff. The different shades of brown are more pronounced, and there is a greater contrast between the dark and light spots. Overall, the boots are in good shape, even after wearing them heavily during one winter season in Toronto. Bear in mind, I've worn these boots through slush, rolled salts, and snow, as well as subjecting them to chilly temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius or minus 13 degrees Fahrenheit. In order to restore the pristine look of your Blundstone, you would need to use a leather conditioner. I decided to purchase R.M. Williams saddle and leather dressing to recondition my boots based on a recommendation from a friend of mine who owns many pairs of Blundstones. I initially searched for them on Amazon.ca, but I couldn't find any in stock. Fortunately, I found them at Australian Boot Company's website and ordered a container. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Compared to most conditioner, they're on the pricier side, but they make up in quality. There are 3 basic steps required to refresh your boots. First, wash off all the dirt and grime. Second is to leave your boots to dry. And third, apply the leather conditioner. First step is to clean your boots. I went with a basic solution of 3 cups of water to 1 cup of vinegar, aka acetic acid. The best part of using this solution is that it is easy to obtain and is economical. The water helps dissolve and wash away the dirt appended to the boots, while the vinegar is efficient at removing rolled salt stains. I decided on using a basic IKEA box to house the solution. The box also allows me to submerge the bottom soles of the boots in the solution while I clean the tops of the boots. Use a brush with hard bristles to scrub off any dirt lodged onto the soles of the boots. When I came to wash the leather portion of the boots, I tried my best to be extremely gentle while using the brush. Once you have cleaned one of your boots to your liking, grab a sheet of microfiber cloth, lay it on the table, and rest your clean boot on the microfiber cloth. By laying your wet boot on the microfiber cloth while you clean the other boot, it will soak up some of the water from the sole of your boots while saving you from wiping the surface afterwards. After cleaning the other pair of the boot, grab another sheet of microfiber cloths to pat your boots dry. Patting your boots dry helps speed up the drying process. It's important to leave your Blundstone to dry at least a day before applying the leather conditioner. The third and final step is to apply the leather conditioner to your dried boots. I've chosen to use Scotch shop towel to apply the leather boots, but you don't need to use a shop towel, as any old rag or t-shirt with holes will work just fine. Make sure you grab a screwdriver, as this will be handy to pop open the lid of the leather conditioner container. As you can see, the leather conditioner is a white substance. It has an oily touch. The leather conditioner has a slight odor, but it is nothing overpowering in my opinion. I used my fingers to grab the leather conditioner and applied it onto my boots. As you can see, I started to be more generous with the amount of leather conditioner I use. With a shop towel or tea rag, use it to spread the conditioner along the boot in a circular motion. I tried to go over the same spot a few times to ensure the conditioner penetrates through the leather. As you work the conditioner into the boots, the white color of the conditioner disappears. You also start to notice the color of the boots begin to darken evenly and restoring the original shine of the boots. Not only are you restoring the original aesthetic of the boots, but the conditioner also softened the boots, which prevents the boots from cracking and excessive creaking. The other benefit of regularly applying this leather conditioner to your boots is that it protects them from the water and scuffs. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.